Everybody, and welcome back to Passionately Intrigued Arts. If you have been here before, if this is your first time, welcome in. This is the results of my Faux stained glass using alcohol ink and clear school glue. I have trimmed it, and these are the results. Not very good, it's very sloppy. Colors bled into each other, and it even dripped down this way. So that was an attempt, my first try at that medium using alcohol ink, and I used puffy paint for the outline, which was pretty good. Just the alcohol ink doesn't mix very well with the glue. Or actually, maybe it does. It leaves bubbles in here. I used too much, and using this film instead of glass, it didn't lay even, so it bled into each cell. I'm going to try it again. I am not going to use this clear film. I'm going to use glass. Not sure if I'm going to use the puffy paint. I have a different medium that I'm going to try for the outline. And then I'm going to use a different medium. I'm going to try food coloring with a different medium for the colors. That's going to be my next attempt. I have a couple more different mediums that I want to try. I'm going to keep trying until we see what works best. So it's pretty on this side. It's smooth. It looks a little better. So what I want to do, it's so flimsy, you know, what am I to do with this? I'm going to give it to my granddaughter. Of course, she loved it. But I want to see if I can make it a little firmer so that she can hang it up somewhere. Maybe in her window, I don't know. So what I'm going to attempt to do, we're going to see how this works. You know, another experiment, another trial and error. I'm going to use this, what do you call this paper? This laminate paper. Laminate sheet. So I'm going to stick this in here, and we're going to take it through the laminate machine, see how it does, and maybe that will make it a little firmer, a little stiffer, and hopefully I won't ruin it any further than it's ruined. So let's try that. Got this heated up. My Scotch laminating machine, and let's stick it through here and see what happens. Whoa! Oops. Sorry, y'all. Did you get dizzy? My bad. Camera fell over. Okay, let me balance it. Hold on. There we go. I think. Oh, shoot! You see that? It's going through crooked. Oh, I'm ruining it. Okay. Didn't know that was going to go through when everything fell. Yeah, well, I just messed that up for sure. Wow. Okay, that made it very, very crooked. There was no way of stopping that, and it might even jam in here. Alrighty, so much for that. I gotta pull it out. Wow. Okay, so guess what? We're gonna take it through again and see what happens. Ooh-wee. Camera fell and all hell broke loose. See if I can flatten it. Let's see. Interesting. That might have did a little justice. It might have did it a little justice to go through here twice. Wee. See what happens on camera? It happens off camera too. All things are not perfect. Never, ever. So I'm going to cut this end off. And it's going through again. Let's see. Let's see if I take it through. Let me cut a little bit more off. Let me cut this end off. This is kind of wrinkly over here. Wow. And let's go through this way. I'm going to keep going until I get it flat. See, I bring you my mistakes as well. Because everything is not perfect over here. Best believe that. As you can see. It's getting better. I'm going to pass it through maybe another time or two. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, I'm going to turn it around this way and this way. Let's take it through here like this. See what that does. Can't hurt it any more than what it is, right? Getting there. Slow but sure. Slow but sure. Well, I almost ruined that, didn't I? Okay. Now, what do I want to do? Let's go in again. Get it heated up real good. Flatten it out. It's getting better. It's getting better. Keep heating it up, and it gets flatter and flatter. I'm gonna go one more. Go this way. And it will be what it will be. I think I saved it. I think I saved it. For the most part. Turn that off. Move that out of the way. And there we have it. Stiffer. I got it pretty flat. Not bad. Not bad. That's the back side. I think the back side is prettier. So I'm going to put a little hanger on here, a little suction cup or something, maybe a suction cup, and let her hang it in her window. All right, tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Anyway, not a thumbs down. Well, you can if you want to, but tell me what you think. We're going to try something else the next time. We're not going to use this here plastic acrylic sheet. Thank you. Peace and love. We'll see you next time. Adios, amigos.